Hi guys, and welcome to the TK Role Modeling channel. Well, today we'll look at the kit of F-14 from an unnamed company from AliExpress. To be honest, I bought this kit as an experiment for $3. And the fact that the company has neither name nor legal address of production has further fueled my interest. So let's see what the name kit looks like. I will leave a link to the AliExpress in the description if you're interested. First of all, I was very upset by the quality of the instructions and types in the text. We do not take into account the point that the kit came to me in a plastic bag, not in a box as usual. Let's look at the quality of the details. I will abstain from comments for a while. Well, decide for yourself how good or bad this kit is for $3. Probably the best thing in this kit is the decals. They have a really good quality.